If you haven't already, now is that perfect time to find a comfortable place and gently close your eyes, allowing your awareness to shift inside, beginning to settle in to the body, settle into your seat. And gently begin deepening your breath, inviting each breath to be a little deeper and a little slower. Slowing down as you breathe. Inviting the body to relax as you breathe. And then gently beginning to drift your awareness into your sacred heart space in the center of your chest. Placing one or both hands on top of your heart to create a physical connection between you and this precious place. And inviting yourself to deepen your breath once more. Feeling the beating of your heart. And inviting your heart to help relax the body and mind even more. And as you're present with your breath and present with your heart, ask your heart, what does love feel like to me? And allow yourself to receive the feeling of love from your heart. And then ask your heart, what does peace feel like to me? And as you breathe deeply, allow the feeling of peace to arise. With the next breath, ask your heart, what does joy feel like to me? And allow the feeling of joy to arise. And then notice if one of these emotions was easier to feel than the other. Maybe it was love. Maybe it was peace. Maybe it was joy. Whatever came the easiest to you, allow yourself to return to that emotion now. For the next minute, simply bask in that vibration of love, of peace, of joy. Now you can stay here, basking in this energy, or if you feel called, you can begin pulsing this vibration out into the collective field, sharing the love of your heart, the peace of your heart, the joy of your heart, with all those who need it now. Sending this energy out as a ripple, as a wave into the collective heart. With each breath, allowing yourself to drop more deeply into the vibration of this emotion, allowing yourself to feel it more strongly as you emanate it out into the collective. Present with your heart, present with this emotion. As you feel the vibration and share it with the world. And then with the next breath, gently let everything go and return your awareness to the precious beating of your heart. And for a moment, simply thank your heart for the way it guides you and brings you back to love each and every day. Then slowly invite gentle movements back into the fingers and toes, allowing your body to move in any way it's called to move. And when you're ready, gently blinking your eyes open and returning to this precious present moment.